The first game was quite impressive since we knew it would be a competitive game. We prepared ourselves mentally because we had to win our first game of the league so that at least it may account to the coming games of the league. Now that gave our players a lot of confidence, gave our players, they knew that they were responsible of the league. We'll have to have a very solid defense since we kept a clean sheet. We'll make sure we have a solid defense and we'll make sure that we're clinical in our final third. We'll make sure that we're clinical and not taking any chances since that's our first home game. Have to be very clinical. Tots is back. At least he'll play his first game of the league and I'll be happy to put him, and I think he'll be an impact to us. Yeah, thank you very much.